10 lines essay on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First line, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great leader. Second line, he was born on 31st October 1875. Third line, his father's name was Jabir Bhai Patel. Fourth line, his mother's name was Ladba Patel. Fifth line, he was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Sixth line, he is also called the Iron Man of India. Seventh line, he fought for India's freedom. Eighth line, he worked a lot for unity of the country. Ninth line, he died on 15th December 1950. 10th line, he is our inspiration.